Today we're going to be looking at my brand new Google Pixel 2 XL. Keep watching the video, we'll show you. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new Google Pixel 2 XL. I've just purchased this phone. A lot of my friends are actually laughing at me. If you don't know me, I've always been used to Blackberry, such as the Blackberry Bold here. This Blackberry unfortunately stopped working. I just popped the battery in. As you can see, it's stuck on the starting screen. It just cannot load. There's obviously a software issue with this one. So what happened was after that, I put that phone down, and only about 2 years ago, I purchased the Blackberry Classic Q20. Now, this phone I thought was really good. When I first started using it, it was an excellent phone. It never froze on me. I got the job done. It's excellent for business owners. The emails are really fast. Unfortunately, I'd say in the past 3-4 months, it's been acting up, and also, as you can see, the software has crashed in the phone, and I really am a little bit stuck on how to access that now. And unfortunately, I, like many other people, have not backed up my content. Therefore, I've lost all my contacts, my media, pictures, files, notes, business documents for estimates. So I've kind of learned my lesson. One, you have to back up often. And two, probably should not be using a BlackBerry in 2018. So with that being said, yeah, and if you actually know or have had this problem before, please leave a comment if you know how to get this phone started from this page. It's actually showing that it's at 100%. But it will not go to the operating system startup. I'm pretty handy with these phones. You can also check out my other video where I actually repair a charging port on the Q20 Blackberry Classic. But software issues, that's a little bit out of my league. I was thinking of an auto loader, but I really don't know if that's going to work. But nevertheless, goodbye to this Blackberry, and hello to the new Google Pixel 2 XL. I've already opened it out of the box and installed my SIM card, so let's just take a look here. I've already ran through the setups. I don't know very much about the phone so far. I've already done the security features. It's got a fingerprint here. I've actually set up the fingerprint option to work with both left and right hand. So as soon as you activate that, here you go. You have your home screen, and I guess basically now it's going to be a new learning curve for me because I've never actually even had a touch screen. I've never texted with touch screen. I just don't know what to expect. I don't know if I'm going to like it, hate it. So what I'm going to do, in all fairness, I'm going to use this phone for a little while and then continue off this video, and I'm going to give you a review on what I think about this Google Pixel 2 XL. Hopefully it's great. I'm sure it's going to be great because I'm moving from a BlackBerry dinosaur ages to something a little more modern. So I guess we'll just check back with me and see how I like the new Google Pixel 2 XL. So we'll see how it goes. Keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to use this phone for a little while and check back with me, and I'm going to give you my my input on the new Google Pixel 2 XL. So I just want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like our video, share our video, leave a comment. If you want to comment on anything you saw today or you'd like us to do, please do so. And don't forget to check out the next video when I actually give you the review on this phone about how my input was on this phone. So we'll talk to you then. jefflepard.com. See you soon on the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.